The Goodman GSXC18 Series air conditioners, introduced around 2022, are known for their high energy efficiency. However, a common issue is communication faults, often signaled by error codes like C5 or communication error. These faults disrupt the communication between the indoor and outdoor units, leading to operational problems. This video will explain the causes, fixes, and future outlook of this issue. The GSXC18 uses a serial communication protocol over a two-wire system. This protocol transmits data about compressor speed, sensor readings like temperature and pressure, and error statuses between the indoor and outdoor units. Common causes of communication faults include wiring issues such as corrosion or poor shielding. Power fluctuations like voltage spikes can also cause faults. Software bugs in early firmware versions, such as latency issues, are another cause. Environmental factors, like electromagnetic interference from nearby electronics or lightning, can interrupt the signal. Proper shielding helps prevent this. Goodman has addressed these issues through firmware updates and a recall program. Firmware Update 3.2, released in Q1 2025, fixes intermittent communication drops caused by electromagnetic interference, reducing fault rates significantly. Additionally, a voluntary recall program was initiated in mid-2024 for units manufactured between 2022 and 2023 due to faulty communication modules that could overheat. Owners can request a free retrofit kit at authorized dealers. Technicians diagnose Goodman GSXC18 communication faults using specialized tools. The Goodman Service app offers remote access for diagnostics and monitoring. Multimeters measure electrical properties. For continuity, technicians check resistance. A low reading indicates a good connection. Voltage testing ensures proper power levels on the lines. Error logs, accessed via the unit's display or app, show specific codes. C5 indicates the outdoor unit isn't responding, while E6 signals a mismatch between indoor and outdoor components. Basic troubleshooting starts with power cycling the system to reset connections. Next, inspect wiring for damage or corrosion. Finally, ensure firmware is updated for the latest fixes. Simple fixes, such as cleaning corroded wiring connections and applying EMI shields, can often be handled by homeowners with basic tools. These straightforward repairs typically address common causes of communication faults and can restore system functionality without professional help. However, more complex issues, such as faulty communication modules or severe wiring damage, may require professional service. These repairs can cost between $150 and $300, including labor and parts. In contrast, the cost of a DIY fix is usually around $20 to $50 for tools and cables, making it an affordable option for minor issues. Real-world examples demonstrate how communication faults in Goodman GSXC18 units can be effectively resolved. A Midwest apartment complex faced widespread faults during a summer heat wave due to power surges affecting 50 units. Initially, fault rates reached 60%. By applying the 2025 firmware update and installing surge protectors, fault rates dramatically dropped to just 5%, showing the effectiveness of software and hardware solutions. In another case, a homeowner successfully resolved a persistent C5 error through accessible DIY troubleshooting. By cleaning corroded wiring connections and applying Goodman's EMI Shield Kit, the system was restored without professional help. HVAC experts emphasize that communication faults are often preventable with proper installation and wiring best practices. Critics note that the initial design flaws reflect rushed manufacturing, urging buyers to opt for post-2024 models. Correct grounding and avoiding running low voltage and high voltage wiring alongside each other is critical. The HVAC industry is shifting towards software-driven solutions and wireless protocols like Wi-Fi to reduce hardwired issues. Goodman plans to phase out wired communication in favor of secure wireless links by 2028, potentially eliminating these faults altogether. Predictive maintenance via AI is also being developed to preempt future issues. Retrofits remain essential for existing systems. In summary, the future of HVAC communication is moving towards wireless, AI-driven solutions that promise to eliminate traditional faults.